Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Engde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Naugar, Bhayandar East. Our today's topic is speech writing. In it, we will discuss introduction to the chief guest. As we know that there are different types of speeches. In our last lecture, we already discussed how to prepare the welcome speech and farewell speech, and how to keep some important ideas or tips in your mind while preparing speeches. So let us see the introduction to chief guest. But before it, we understood what are the different types of learning outcomes or course outcome we will gain or achieved after completion of this topic. Student able to deliver and prepare the speeches to express ideas, thoughts and emotions. Student able to formulate a speech for introducing the chief guest in a given situation or event. Student able to introduce the oneself or with the correct pronunciation, intonation and using the verbal as well as non-verbal communication or non-verbal gesture or sign and signal. So these are the learning outcomes student will achieve after completion of this topic. Speech for introduction of chief guest. So what is the introduction to the chief guest? How to prepare the chief speech for introduction? We see there are many professional and academic circumstances or events held day-to-day life that call for chief guest or speaker in that particular event or situation or a program. If you are in a position of introducing chief guest or speaker, then it will help you to know how to deliver the speech or how to deliver your introduction in the way that informative or entertaining and easy to understand. While introducing the chief guest or speaker, the purpose is to inform the audience or the topic of the topic, the topic relevance or the audience and the speaker relevance to the topic. Means it is the duty of us to give brief introduction of today's chief guest to our audience. Means all of us, means everyone in that organization, in that program and aware about the chief guest. Then here are some ideas, okay, how to delivering this. A guest or a speaker or a chief guest, name and title, for example doctor, professor, mr, etc. Okay, make sure to pronounce the name properly and easily and loudly. If you are in the doubt, get correct the pronunciation from the guest and practice it. Means the correct name should be pronounced. Do not confuse while pronouncing the name or designation of that particular person. If you have a doubt, you will confirm about him. Chief guest's biography. The speaker sometimes gives the detail to said about him or her. If the detail are not provided, then select event, achievement, qualifications, support, establishment him or her in as organization within the context of the occasion and confirm that what is to be said by the guest. Okay. Means short but sweetly you will concluding all the point and delivering your speech in a limited time. Curricular Vitae is a great place to get information. Almost all speaker will give you the CV online. On the event planner may have a copy of it and you have also search their name online for the interesting tidbit about them. But do not include something that may be controversial or potentially embarrassing to them unless you ask them first. Means do not using any controversial word or any irrelevant word. If you have a doubt, you will directly ask to the chief guest and then you will delivering your speech or say about him. Add a surprise delight the audience. Sometimes this is not commonly known and something relieving the personality or humanity of the person. Okay, these are some ideas we should keep in our mind while preparing or delivering the speech or introduction to the guest. So let us see how to prepare the speech. Draft a speech to introduce the chief guest for the first year induction program organized by your institute. So this is the example given for preparing the introduction to the chief guest. So let us see how to prepare a speech. A very good morning one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce the today's chief guest or speaker, Dr. Rajat Mishra. Today, we are gathered here for the first year induction program. We are fortunate that we have almost us such an eminent professor to guide us. Dr. Rajat Kapoor is a distinguished professor of IIT Kanpur. He did his BTech from IIT Kanpur 1995, PhD from Indian Institute of Science Bangalore in 1989. Since then he has been a faculty of IIT Kanpur. He is the well-known resource person of computer architecture in the country. Now he has also been working as a CDAC as a resource person. Very soon he will be leaving CDAC to become a Vice Chancellor of IIT Raipur. He has played a key role in defining standard for operating system of smart card and for the government of India. This system is used for applications such as a driving license, vehicle registration system, Indian national ID, electronic password and several other ID related applications. He has also been instrumental in the defining the strategy of smart card, certificate, mechanism and government of India. It is really a versatile person. Sir, I request you to take over the proceeding. Thank you. Means in this way, we will prepare a introduction to chief guest. First of all, we giving the proper name and designation of the person, then his education, achievements, awards, then presently working or what he is doing, if any kinds of work or activity, extracurricular activities done by him, we will also presenting, okay, awards, etc. And then finally request him to proceed the charge and say few words and guiding and motivating our student. So in this way we were preparing the introduction to chief guest. I hope students, you all of us understood the topic introduction to the chief guest. Thank you.